Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 4 apps you should consider downloading and installing on your Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro. So let me show you the apps. The first one will be the Notify Buddy, and what it does, it basically sets up the LED lamp. Like in the old school phones, you would get the LED lamp here when your phone is plugged and you get the notification, like this one. And you can set any other app that you want notifications from, or just enable them all. So that's pretty nice to have if you like the design with the LED. Next app will be the Amper, and it's basically app that shows you all of the information about your battery. And you can see its status, so it's discharging. If it would be plugged into the power, it would be charging. The level percentage of the battery currently on it, its technology, temperature, manufacturer, everything that is written here. You can see any detail of your battery. The next app will be Battery Sound, and what it does, it basically, you can by pressing this plus button, you can add any notification to your, if something involves the battery. For example, if you fully load the battery, normally you don't get any sound from that. But here, if you write here 100%, you can go to ringtones, and select, for example, this. And you will get this notification and this sound when the battery is fully loaded. So it's pretty nice to have to save energy, or for example, if you have low percentage on the battery and you want to get notified. And the last app will be Caffeine, and what it does, basically it changes your screen timeout. It can be infinite or variable, because in the most phones the maximum timeout is 10 minutes or 30 minutes, so it's very useful to have as well if you want your phone to be always unlocked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.